Hello everyone. Hello everyone and welcome to Era Tutorials. I'm Aarti Naik and today I'm going to teach you class 6 subject English unit 2 topic 2.3 a wall magazine for your class. This is a very beautiful activity though now you are not going to school but you can prepare it for your room wall. Okay, wall magazine for your class or you can plan you can keep material ready for your class by preparing it at home. So, let us see a wall magazine for your class. Students of 6th A bubbled with enthusiasm all the time. That means they are always ready to do something new, be it sports, hobbies, or studies. This year, they surprised the rest of the school by bringing out a wall magazine. The idea became so popular that soon there were unique wall magazines in almost every class in the school. This is what class 6A did to plan and prepare their wall magazine. That means how they prepared their wall magazine. Class 6A students were very famous in the school for doing new things, doing things with enthusiasm related to sports, hobbies, or studies. They were always number one. So this concept of wall magazine also class 6th A has started in the school. So how they prepared their own wall magazine, let us see. Bubbled with enthusiasm means to be full of interest and excitement. Bring out means making something public. Review, a report in newspaper magazine that gives an opinion about a new book or film, etc. Okay, so one by one we will see difficult words also. First, the students and class teachers of 6th A brought several children magazines and pages of children's section in periodicals and newspaper to the classroom. They studied the content to see what all was included in the magazines. There was a tremendous variety: stories, poems, puzzles, readers, craft, ideas, then informative articles, interesting tidbits of information, jokes, board games, book reviews, quizzes, study tips, health tips, and even recipes. There were also columns about students' achievements, doubt, and problems. These columns were run with the help of the teacher or parents. After studying all the material, a discussion was held in the class to choose the section for their own magazine. It was decided that means first they observe one many magazine related to the children. Which are the columns are popular in those magazines? They selected to make those columns in their own magazine. So what they decided, let us see. There would be at least 4 issues of the magazine. There would be a separate team for each issue. The team would have an editor, one or two sub editors, then illustrators, that means artists, and writers, those who actually copied or typed the issue in beautiful letters. Anyone in the class would send contributions to the issue. The editors would select the article to be included and their decision would be final. Thus, there would be 4 different teams to work on the 4 issues. That means they divided their class into 4 groups and everyone were allowed to bring information, and editor will check it, editor will select it, and then it will be published in the magazine. Thus there would be 4 different teams to work on the 4 issues. The columns regular features in 4 issues were planned with the help of the class teacher. Apart from the editorial team, more groups were made to run columns like craft ideas, recipes, I need help, science corner, etc. It was the job of these groups to collect material for their respective columns. That means 4 groups were divided. Whoever will get whichever, for example, anyone is getting craft idea, so that group will collect the material related to craft idea. If someone is related to recipe, they will collect the good recipes for children, like that. So they started collecting material. With the teacher's help, a prominent place was fixed to display the magazine in the classroom. A long discussion was held to choose good name for the magazine. Are you tempted to do something similar for your own class? What are you waiting for? Go ahead. On the next few pages, you will find some specimens from the Wall magazine of 6th day. We are sure you can create even more interesting pages if you use your own ideas and talents. For teacher, now what teacher has to do? Please use the procedure outline here to bring out Wall magazine prepared by your student. Give them freedom to choose regular feature or columns. Please see that every child contributes something to the magazine or share something of the work. That means assign work to each and every child. Now, jokes. Teacher, Wally, why are you late? Wally says, the train had a flat tires. That's why she was late. What are the three words most often used by students? The teacher asked the class. I don't know, sighed a student. That's correct, said the teacher. Next, why did the teacher wear sunglasses? Because his students were so bright. Teacher. Teacher says, I wish you had pay a little attention, students. I am paying a little attention as possible. Dad says, how did you find your maths exam? Son says, unfortunately, it wasn't lost. Teacher says, your daughter's only 5 and she can spell her name backward. Why that's remarkable? Mother says, yes, we are very, very proud of our teachers. And what is your daughter's name? Mother, Anna. So she is writing her name forward also and backward also. Fun with words. Now this is second. First we go through jokes. Now fun with words. Which bird can lift the heaviest weight? The crane. What can you serve but never eat? A tennis ball. What jam can't you eat? A traffic jam. What's the difference between a hungry person and a greedy person? One longs to eat and other eats too long. Now third column, that is science corner. Why do water tin sheets become hot in the sun but not a tree? Water and tin sheets are non-living. When they receive the heat, they get heated according to their air property and may even change the state in which they are. Water turns into vapor and even tin sheet melt at very high temperatures. They do not make any attempt to cool themselves. But you know that bodies of living things carry out different processes that help them to survive or to adapt to their surroundings. Plants carry out a process called transpiration. In this process, water is absorbed by the roots and it's sent up through the stem up to the leaves. On the underside of the leaves, there are pores called stomata. Plants used up some of the water they absorb and rest is given through these stomata. This process helps plant to cool themselves and that's why water tin sheet water tin sheets become hot in the sun but not a tree. Human also use a similar process to cool themselves. Can you guess what it is? Yes, sweating. Also, you know that big trees have trunks. The trunks consist of wood. Wood is not a good conductor of heat. You may relate this information with what is given in your science textbook. Responsiveness to stimuli, heat, states of matter, etc. Some question for the next issue. Why do the sun and moon changes their size? How can we see many channels on the same TV set? Why do we see one image when we have two eyes? Okay, like that questions you can put in your magazine. I am confused, please help. That means I need help section. My best friend is ignoring me this year. I feel angry and unhappy about it, but I still think of her as my best friend. Why is she doing this to me? I'm confused. Please help me. Experts advice from senior friend. Okay. Hmm. Don't we all feel this sometime or other? Don't worry. Let's see what we can do. First, please think about it without getting upset. Is she really ignoring you? What are the things that you used to do together but don't do anymore? For example, sitting on the same bench, having your tiffin together, coming to school and going back home together, and so on. If you still do most of these things together, you may be wrong in thinking that she is ignoring you. You can talk to her about it, find out if you have hurt her in some way, if there is a misunderstanding, and what is that is why she is not as warm towards you as she was before. If that is so, you can simply say sorry and she will immediately be friend with you again. Has she made new friends? Is that what is making you feel a little jealous and sad? Well, you can always be friends with her new friends. Your friends may appreciate it. If your last year's best friend has really started ignoring you without any reason, do not keep brooding about it. You can make friends with others. Maybe after a few days, your old friend will also be close to you once again. So, what could be some other problem for the next issue? Now, another section is rhyme and rhythm. In that poem, is there the little rose tree. Every rose on the little tree is making a different face at me. Some look surprised when I pass by, and other drop, but they are shy. These two, whose head together press, tell secrets I could never guess. Some have their heads thrown back to sing, and all the birds are listening. I wonder if the gardener knows, or if he calls each just a rose. That means here poet has described each and every rose with different reasons. But gardener is calling everyone as a rose only. Okay? So like that beautiful poem you can make it. Another, a flying horse. Did you ever see a horse flying? A horse flying? A horse flying? Did you ever see a horse fly? Horse fly, fly, fly. Did you ever see a pen stand? Pen stand? A pen stand? Did you ever see a pen stand? A pen stand, stand, stand? So, you can use these funny phrases in place of horsefly, pen stand, enjoy the puns, different meanings. Shoelace, hairpin, toothpick, eye drop, necktie, eyelash, yardstick, then eardrum. Like that, you can change the word and you can make this poem. Okay? One bright day, a hand clapping rhyme. One bright day in the middle of night, two dead soldiers got up to fight. Back to back they faced each other, draw their, drew their swords and shot each other. A deaf policeman heard the noise and ran to save the two dead boys. If you don't believe this lie is true, ask the blind man, he saw it too. Now this is the wall magazine. Write one word for each of the following. A single copy. A single copy of the newspaper or magazine. What we can call it as a issue. A person in charge of the newspaper or magazine editor. Regular features in the newspaper or magazine is an article. Magazines that are published every week or month, weekly magazine or monthly magazine. A set of instruction that tells you how to cook something, its recipe. A person who does the artwork for the magazine is called illustrator. A report in the newspaper that gives an opinion about a news book, film, that is a review. Okay, so here some questions are also told to you. I hope that everyone might have understood how to prepare the wall magazine. You can prepare it your own and enjoy it. Okay, instead of wall you can make a small notebook also, and in notebook all these different types of issues you can make. So I hope that everybody might have understood this concept. If you have any difficulty, please write down in comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.